Hey everybody, this is Jamie with Laser Arkansas, and I got a couple of pieces of aircraft metal, aircraft skin that I've been laser cleaning on. And I just wanted to point out real quick that I can get around all the rivets on the aircraft. Anywhere light can reach, it'll get underneath the lip of the rivet, it'll get all the gunk that's built up under the rivet, it'll take it right off. Multiple layers of paint, right down to the aluminum, ready to paint. No damage to the substrate whatsoever. And what I would like to do is come up to the airport and just give a brief demonstration to you of exactly what I can do. My machine is totally portable, set up for aircraft maintenance. So give me a call. My number is 479-588-1200. And my name is Jamie, and I'll come up and give you a demonstration at your leisure at any time. All right, thank you very much for watching.